Alright, so first we have the overview of the main components into the York onboard air system. See right down there we've got the joint serpentine and V-belt combo pulley that was custom fabbed. And then you've got the idler pulley, which was pulled from a Chrysler LeBaron. And finally, the heart of the system. You've got the actual York air compressor, which was pulled from a 74 Thunderbird. Alright, and then you see we've got the intake there on the left with the red filter, followed by the stainless braided line for the output. Coming into a one-way check valve, and we got our pressure indicator here, and then finally out from there and down to the tank. Alright, we'll go fire